Good evening, traders. Vindy here with FuturestraderElite. Hope everybody had a good trading day today. If you got to trade in the New York session after we got done, hopefully all went well. What's going on, Remod? Try to get some things squared away on the chart here. Got some 15-minute imbalance down here, just below down here. So 432 to 451 or 452. I was hoping to see them come down and maybe try to pick some of that up. I don't know if that's something I want to do right now or not. ATR is pretty low, I can see. Hopefully, maybe we can ATR pick up and maybe we can find something worth trading here tonight. If not, no big deal, I guess. While I wait for something to set up, I'm going to pay some bills. Hot out there today. Got off the New York stream today. I went and mowed grass, been outside doing yard work ever since. Walked in and the market was 1 minute opening up. I got done and walked inside. Guys, let me know in chat what you're looking at, what setups you're looking for. That way maybe other people in chat can kind of see what it is you're looking at. Maybe one person's looking at one thing and another person's looking at something else. Excuse me. I'll put the old link to the Futures Trader Blueprint book is now on Amazon, live on Amazon. And if anybody want to check that out, all I ask is that if you were to pick up a copy, leave a honest review on Amazon. That way other traders can find it. It's a straight to the point book, cuts through a lot of noise. You know, in the world of trading, you can spend a whole lot of wasted hours by trying to find things that you're looking for or learn things with all the noise out there. And I try to always cut through the noise with everything I do. Try to get straight to the point all the time. Find all this stuff online. Next thing you know, you're going down a rabbit hole over here, a rabbit hole over there, and never being able to find exactly what you're looking for. Somebody left me a 5-star review on there already. If they're on stream, I'm not sure who it was because it don't say the name on Amazon, but I appreciate that 5-star review. OATR is still pretty low. You know, maybe nothing much will be happening until about 7 o'clock market time. Maybe that whole hour rolls around. Don't look like it did a whole lot here. Trying to open. What do we have? Closed at about 500. We're not even up 30 points. Ain't doing much. Passed the whole 25K Bullinox today in the New York session. If you find yourself struggling with the process of things and emotions, psychological side, there is the Futures Trader or the FTE Trader Mindset book available out there. I'll give copy away. Give a copy of that away here on the stream tonight if we can run the likes up to 25 likes on the stream and give a free copy of that away to someone in chat. If you are new here, let me know in chat that you're new to the community. We just crossed 1,000 subscribers on YouTube yesterday, so we hit that milestone. So I'm probably going to run a sale on some of the FTE products, you know, books, indicators, course, everything like that. I'm going to try to put something together and run maybe a 72-hour sale for hitting that milestone. Appreciate all the support, people showing up and showing out day by day. Anybody that's ever joined a stream or commented on a short or liked any of the videos, you know, got any of the products or the books, indicators, or course, don't go unseen. I appreciate everybody, all the support. Trying to see here. You know, I just higher time frames quick. Really bullish today. It's been a really bullish day. Now, if they can get this pushed up over, say 600 overnight tonight, might wake up to it being in the 900s or something maybe. But I can't put no risk in the market. No, right now, no ATR under 5. Anybody out there has any questions, just let me know. Throw them in chat. Hey, what's going on, Swang? Yeah, not much going on the charts either. Not much going on there. Not much going on stream. It looks like stream's pretty dead right now anyway. I forgot to post them thumbnails of them Lambos and those jets and everything. And those Rolexes and walking around with stacks of $10,000 banded together, stacked up. Come one, come all. If you want to learn how to make 50,000 a day, come here, the Futures Trader Elite. Or maybe that's $5 a day. My bad. I grinded that 25K account today in that New York session. That was the only account I was trading, was that 25K eval. Finally passed it. When I come back and trade a little bit right before power hour and in the power hour. Passed it finally. Trying to just stick to the right trades. And let me tell you, I got that thing like anywhere from $10 to $50 from being passed like at least 6 times, I bet, 5 or 6 times, and then I'd be down 150. I'd get it back in range, I'd be down 150, even 200 one time. I was like, and then I would just get out and I'd wait and wait and wait, grind back, and finally got it. It was killing me when I was getting close or like $10. And I'm like, come on now. Y'all give me 5 points. All I need is 5 points my direction. And then it would just slam the other way. It seemed like it was whipping pretty good in power hour. I probably should have waited till about 6 o'clock my time, so about 7 o'clock market time to even start this. Y'all are not doing that. Oh. Hey, what's going on, James? Yeah, I almost thought about doing that tonight instead of going on and getting on when I did now for the Asia session. I thought about waiting for Tokyo. Tokyo starts at what, 9 market time, I believe. Yeah, I think it's 8. Oh, just another day, not enough dollars to make us hollers. If the old evening session don't start getting better than this, I'm going to have to go back to my pole job at night. The only thing cooking around here is the temperature outside. I should have jumped in the swimming pool when I got done mowing. Good stream. Good stream what? Swanee? The pole job? uh, a pole job. uh only man's, yeah. Uh no, James, I don't just use 25Ks. I usually didn't use anything but 50Ks for the longest time. And then I just picked up some 25s here recently to add to my stack of stuff I got. Only Mans. We need to start one of those websites. Only Man. I don't think enough women pay for stuff like that, like the way men do probably for women's stuff. Well, I mean, I don't know, but it just don't seem like it's the same. Between what, the 25 and the 50. I don't think it. I don't think it really matters, James. I think what it really depends is your trade style and your risk management. You just have to tighten it up. For if it's going to be a 25K, you probably need to tighten. Even if you tighten it up, or if you use the same as a 50K, you might want to size down on the 25. I don't know. That's just. I kind of trade 25 the same I will a 50, but for the most part, get a little more drawdown with your 50s than your 25s. Man, I'm missing the move. Could have took the short. Yeah, mine's on these Bullinox, it's 1,500 on at Bullinox. It's 1,000 at most prop firms. 1,500. Oh yeah, that was a clean short. That was a full port short right there. Probably could have made $37,000 in like 30 seconds. Let's ask the Magic 8 Ball. Yeah, I mean, I like 50s the most myself. That's what I have the most of out of all of them, big or small. I think, yeah, just like what Swain just said, the math just is better. Well, my 50Ks are 2,500, not 2K. The ones with Bullinox. I got 2,500 and 1,500. 15 and 25. I like those 300Ks where you can full port like 30 or 40 minis and lock in 300,000 a day. Yeah, what I'm talking about. Yep, that's right, Swain. That's right. That's another thing I find amusing about everybody excited about same day payout prop firms. And even if they got their caps, like take profits, cap is 10K per pro account. Most traders ain't gonna be banking no 10K a day to be taking no payout. Not consistently. So I don't get what all the hooting and hollering hooraying's about. But that's the whole key to the entire system. It is the hard part's getting the first payout because you gotta get that buffer in and get the first payout. But you can compound if you can get enough funded accounts and get them to that point. It gets easier down the road. Are you still going to blow a funded? Yeah, somewhere along the way you're still going to lose one. The best traders out there are going to lose one too. If they say they ain't, then they're lying to everybody online. It's going to happen to everybody. So the key is to just try to keep tight risk management. Hold to your rules and your discipline, and get them to that point. After that first payout, that's when things can really start snowballing in a manner of speaking. Manner of speaking. Port. Full port. All aboard. I can see. I'm gonna have to go through the settings on YouTube and figure something out about that. I didn't realize there was ads on my stream. At least, care if there is, but that can be after the stream's done, not during the stream. I don't like that. Got any new members with us tonight? Let us know in chat. Don't let swang scare you off. No, James. Well, you have two options. You can get option 1 accounts that do not have that, but they have a trailing drawdown, and then option 2 accounts have a end of day drawdown with a daily loss limit. They didn't used to run a sale on them option 2 accounts until here recently. They're like 75% off right now. So like I think 50K is 40 something bucks, I think. Hey, y'all chill out. I ain't got no kids at home, but I got 4 dogs. So it feels like I still have kids in here. Or I make all y'all go outside in that 90-degree heat with no water. No water. Y'all drinking too much water. Maybe y'all jump in a swimming pool to get hot. All right, you want out? I'll let you out. Come on. Well, well, well. Look at that. Done locked in $0 so far since we've been on the stream. $0. We got anybody new in chat with us to the community tonight? Let us know in chat. Don't be shy. Locked in 31. I didn't think you took a trade yet. Sounds like dinner's on you tonight, Swain. Dinner's on you. Only one locking in some green. You just did. I didn't even see anything move yet. I thought the candle's just been sitting still. Y'all crazy. I ain't getting in there. I don't think so. I'll wait until 7 o'clock. As soon as the clock strikes 7, I'm full port. Oh, come on, man. I might not be on till then. It depends on what they give us between 7 and 8. Man, it's my bedtime. Oh, it'll be 7 here. So, still, I don't know. I don't know. I tries to be in bed around 8 o'clock my time anymore. Back in the day, my sleeping habits just changed here recently. I've always been a night owl, and hey, I used to put in the screen time. I'd trade all day, stocks and options, and then I would trade in aftermarket till it closed, and then I would study till like midnight, 1, 2 in the morning, and turn around and get up and start trading again at 4 o'clock when the market opened up my time, or 3 o'clock. I mean, I was just I was like a robot. Yeah, I trade full time. That's all I do. Started trading full time about 3 years ago. Or I'm coming up on 3 years, something like that, here in a month or so. I thought about going back and doing some, going back to work some, just to help build up retirement stuff. I got 4 kids, all of them be off to college and stuff. I just started, I just started streaming back in March. I started the FTE brand back in like the first week of August last year. At least I put the Discord together and was doing some other things. And I was posting shorts and everything on YouTube last year and some videos and stuff, but we didn't start streaming until the first week of March this year. Well, we did some streaming here or there, but not a lot. And then I decided, you know what, I'm gonna throw both feet in, um, to stream 5 days a week, and so we started doing that first week of March. And since then, March, April, May, was this? This is the end of June. So in 4 months of live streaming, 5 days a week, I went from 500 subscribers to 1,026 as of today. And we started June off at 849 subs. So we've picked up a whole bunch this month. 170, something like that. A lot's happened in the last 4 months ever since I started live streaming. And of course, I redid the book and got that on Amazon, or one of my books anyway. I'm going to try to get the Trader Mindset book on Amazon probably next. Try and give this other one a little time and see how it does on there first. So that's probably why. Maybe you hadn't seen me. I never thought that I would be doing anything like this. When I started trading, I didn't have any intentions on ever um, doing what I'm doing. You know, I was just under my rock doing my own thing, trading every day, minding my own business. But through several different discords over the last few years, between all the questions I get, and people would DM me on Discord and this and that, and just questions after questions, I decided, you know, maybe I should really try to make something else, a different community, you know, and try to help people uh, cut through a lot of the noise out there. You know, I've been trading a long time, and there's a whole lot of nonsense out there as far as trading goes. Newer traders, I think they get spun up in it. We all did. I was spun up in it, trying to weave through all the spider webs of mess, everything you find online. Half of it ain't even worth reading. A lot of them make you dumb, actually. But I don't know. Kind of where we started and then where we're at now. Focus on structure, discipline, rules. Like the number one rule for tonight is full port short. No, I'm just kidding. I thought about maybe if the housing market would ever get right again, how I probably would have never even quit doing what I was doing had the housing market not gotten crazy. But if the housing market would act right and get back to where it needs to be, I'd probably there's a possibility that I would maybe start flipping houses again for myself and do that during the day and then trade and stream at night or somehow try to figure that out because I enjoy flipping houses for myself. I don't want to go back to remodeling for other people though. You'll get there, James. Get there. Yeah, I can pretty much do about anything when it comes to that side of stuff. I can build something from the ground up. I can plumb it. I can put the electrical in it. And do a whole lot. I don't mess much with HVAC, but I could fix some HVAC stuff. Well, some of the newer stuff, I installed the one on my couple of them on my house, the mini splits, and installed the one in my shop. I thought I thought that consistency came from rolling the dice, picking up that magic 8 ball. Well, because you'll be consistent if you follow your rules and keep your risk management tight. Even if you even if you fall off the wagon, well, like you said, okay, how do you recalibrate? Well, you just got to sit back. You know, you got to. It's all a mindset thing. It's all mindset thing. You know, put it like this. Say that say you're married. Say you're married, and your significant other doesn't support what you're doing. And so then y'all are always getting into it about you wanting to trade and you doing this, but they don't support you. Well, that becomes an emotional burden on your shoulder. And whether you think you're good at controlling your emotions or not, that may cause a problem while you're trying to trade. Um, so anytime something in outside of trading could be affecting your mind why you are trading, you have to learn to shut all those doors before getting on that computer or on that chart or whatever you're trading off of, you know. And as far as recalibrating, I mean, it could be different for everybody. You know, some people they walk away, take a few days, come back, uh, and some people just, you know, they keep at it. And if you know why you fell off the wagon, is the most important part because if it's one particular lever that made you fall off the wagon, well, then it's easy to fix. But you got to be able to pinpoint it, and if you can do that, that'll make it easier to get back on track. We kind of talked about this a little bit today on the New York stream because I've been out of my lane for about 2 weeks now or better. I don't know what I've been doing on stream. Well, I do know, and I last night I told myself that I was going to end that, and I'm going to get back to who I truly am as a trader and trade my way. If I don't find anything to trade, then I will stream all day and not take no trades. I was getting to the point where being on the stream, I felt like I had to always be active in a trade. Now, when I started streaming, I didn't have that problem, so I don't really know how that snuck up on me like that, but it did. And I was aware that it was going on, and I just kept on with the flow. And seemed like every other day, I was blowing an eval, and that's not like me. And so, um, I was like, man, I got to do something different here. So I had to look what I was. Well, I don't know. Like I'm saying, I was losing because I was over trading. I was oversizing. I was doing all the things that you should not do. So it was like the best probably 2 3 weeks to watch me trade because that's definitely not who I am. Anybody that watched me prior to that point knows that that ain't who I am. And so I had to get back in my lane. And I don't know. There could be stuff working up on me that I had to deal with. Maybe I had something creeping up on me, something from the outside world, you know. We all have personal lives that we're living, got things going on in the real world outside of trading. And as much as we try to fight it off, it can still creep in on your shoulder. I talk about that all the time. It's in the Trader Mindset book. I mean, I've been in the trenches. I've been there, done that once, done it twice, done it 3 times. And you're never always going to beat it 100%. Sooner or later, it's going to creep in. It just so happened to creep back on me, which is fine. That's completely fine. I got back in my lane today, but I didn't touch none of my fundeds today, and I'm not going to touch none tonight, and I probably won't touch none tomorrow. I'm just going to trade these evals and make sure I am staying in my lane the way I need to be. Like I passed that 25K today. I didn't force it. I didn't force one trade in that account today, but I took it nice and easy, waited for the things that I wanted to trade, and when I came back in power hour or about half hour before power hour start, found a few setups that I liked, so I took them and got it done. So I'm in this other eval tonight, and I'm going to keep trading it if I ever take a trade tonight. And I'll keep trading just this account, and I'm going to trade it only on trades that I want to take until it's passed. I'm probably not even going to copy trade. I copy trade every day. Or I was, but I didn't copy trade today. I just been rotating today. But no matter how consistent or how good of a trader you become, there's going to come a point when you're going to go on a losing streak. Now, you might have red days, you might have red weeks, even red months. Uh, I would believe that any professional trader would agree with that. Well, what is this? Oh, look, I missed it. Man, I was going to full port that. So we're at the top of the hour here. Wondering where that volume came from, and it ain't much. The ATR is still kind of low. I still ain't nothing. The ATR ain't trying to do nothing. I need to go to the store and pick up some maybe back ribs. Poke some. Who's chasing it? Please tell me nobody's chasing it. Oh man, we're gonna miss the boat. Everybody pile in. Just kidding. All right. It ain't too late to get in, swine. Go on, get in there. I'm sure if you get in, it'll go up 50 points. If I get in, it'll go against me 100 points. You mean to tell me that trading is not easy? Heck, after watching all them videos online, I figured it was the easiest way to become a millionaire. Excuse me. If y'all are enjoying the stream, don't forget to smash that like button. We only got 2 likes on the stream. If we can run it up to 20 likes on the stream tonight, I'm gonna give away a copy of the Trader Mindset book. Trader Mindset book. Well, what'd you do that for? Might not be the wrong move. Never can tell with this market. Evening set. Although it has been awfully bullish day today. The main reason I wouldn't take a short anytime soon is for the simple fact that it's been so bullish today. Had a crazy drive. Now I could possibly look for a short play if they want to sweep the overnight high up here. Let them get some expansion in the price here, and then maybe see. I could possibly think about it then if it was exhausted on momentum, a kill zone indicator or something. But other than that, I'm just gonna have to pay attention for long situations. And I missed the boat down here. It looks like it when it come down and tested 500 back here. So 500 could be the line in the sand overnight tonight for a while. Maybe they try to come back and get it, tag it again, but drive it up. Um, have well, I could see them maybe trying to tag maybe 485 back here again, possible, or they took off too high, maybe, but maybe not. kind of what I'll be looking for though. So I won't be trading if I don't see something I like, and I don't like any of this. So if we can come back down and sweep the overnight low, get down in the 385 area, maybe for a double bottom here, uh, or a sweep up top, something other than trying to catch 4 or 5 or 20 ticks here or there, back and forth. That's all they're going to do then. Old Vindy staying on the sidelines with his pom poms. Cheering everybody else on. Oh my gosh. What was that? Ah, you didn't miss anything. There'll be a better trade somewhere else. Although that was a sweep of the overnight high I was just talking about, I guess. But I wouldn't short it like that. The and this session, the way the price action moves, ATR, and some candles close and next candle open up, like there's a gap in them. Sometimes I don't like that. It hasn't done that yet, but the way the price action's acting, I can see that happening. At least you kept it tight. Tight, not a bad loss at all. You're one good trade away from getting break even or back to the green. Yeah. We had yeah, maybe so. Gotta let that candle close. I think I'll stay out of it. Hmm. They can get back above that overnight high, say that 30-minute high up there, about 543. I could see if they got above that this higher pretty back up there and test 590. But it's got to do it first. Get this trend line on here because if you put a trend line on, that means it'll bounce. Like a magic trend line. On, touch it. Boom. Show us the magic. Magic. Well, the old magic trend line didn't work out that great. Look at that. Locked in at $10 though. $10 make you holler. Mm. All right, James. We'll see you on the next one, maybe. Have a great rest of your evening. Scalping, scalping. Go. Rip. Come here. Rip. Come on. Boy. Oh man. Fun times. Fun times. What's everybody doing? Just sitting on the sidelines waiting for a setup? I done respray painted the lines on my sideline. We have anybody new on the stream with us tonight? Let us know in chat. Have any questions? Just throw them in chat. Hmm. Or is it gonna try to make a move? Coming up 7:30 or yeah, 7:30. A couple minutes. See if maybe that brings in some type of volume or anything, maybe. I take price action ain't moving enough for me to really even want to trade. only moving 4.5, 5 points, 3, 4 points on the 1 minute. I don't need to trade if I can only lock in 3 or 4 points on a 1 minute candle. Here we go. Now what we got going. Give us the you do it. Yeah. Choppy mess. Hell, if this isn't slow, I don't know what is. One needs to learn patience. You have never been fishing. You should start fishing as a hobby, and then you'll learn patience. We are trading MNQ. What are you trading? Are you trading the minis or the micros? We're not trading much of nothing right now, to be honest. I mean, we ain't been able to find anything worth trading. For some reason, the magic trend line ain't working. Not bouncing off of it the way it should be. MNQ. MNQ is the micro version of NQ. NQ is the minis. MNQ is the micros. Smaller size. Takes 10 micros to equal 1 mini. A good thing we can't trade half micros. I don't know if there's another name for it or not, Malay. I'm not sure. I just know it as in MNQ and NQ. Now, what is this going on? Look at it. Missing the moves, missing the moves. Wayne, you know what Malay's talking about? US 30 and all that mess? I don't know nothing about all that. There's another name for it. I don't know anything about it. That's for sure. Oh, yeah. I don't do Forex. Is that what he's got going on? I don't know anything about Forex. I know a little bit about the number 4 and a little bit about the number X, but I don't know anything about putting them together. The letter X, my bad. The letter X. The number 4, the letter X. 4X. I'll see. I don't know nothing about all that. I know what the Dow Jones is, but I never knew if there was another term for it. Is that where the mix over is, Malahi? Are you a Forex trader or trading futures? Like Special K's home. Looks like she's gonna maybe get on the charts, do a little trading, maybe. Any more cars out today? Other just that. Oh, really? Well, how many? What do they think about that? uh, Special K selling cars now. Something she's never done. This is her second month, second full month of doing it, and she is salesman of the month again for 2 months in a row. First month she ever sold cars in her entire life. She was salesman of the month. Month 2, car salesman of the month again. Congratulations, Special K. Now lock in some money in a funded account or something. Really? Take profit ain't really? I thought that they did it quicker than that now. Oh, was it? Uh, Great Dane is laying on my foot. Done by treadmill. Pillow. Been over a whole day. I've been over. All right. Anybody catch that short there out of the overnight high? 30-minute high. What is it doing? Gonna give us a better pullback, or is this just another one of these little whatevers and it's gonna drive back up? Yeah, me too. I want it to come down here. I'll take it out of the 500 level for the long, maybe. If it would get there. I just, like I said earlier, I don't know how well I feel about shorting it after the kind of day we had, bullish as it's been. We have any new people on the stream with us tonight? Let us know in chat. Welcome to the community if you're out there and you're here and just listening. Okay, just one of those pullbacks for another bounce. I tried to catch that one and I got stopped out even though it went the right way. Now I feel like every time if I try that, it's going to end up being the time that it keeps going the opposite direction. I think I'm just going to hang out on the sidelines with my Great Dane and wait maybe as well for the Tokyo session to open up in 20 minutes. And if it ain't doing anything I like, then I'll probably get off the stream. Protect my account. Hey, Tokyo might just dish out some of the same of what we're seeing now, possibly. And if that's going to be the case, I'm going to be done with it. I don't got to do something. It's got to move one way or another. Let's go up. Let's go down. Do the hokey pokey and turn ourselves around. Probably the longest 8 of the day waiting for Tokyo to open. Coming down here and touching this trend line like this, I'm going to start playing it here. No, I'm not. Not for no 5 points or 6, 7 points. 7. What's up, party people? Everybody's being awfully quiet. Everybody out there scalping them picks. I look trend line bounce. Guess if you catch them right every time, you might end up with about 50 or 60 points. This whole kill zone indicator is popping right here on the 50-yard line back and forth. Telling me to stay away. Section out. You got the range going on here. They keep tapping up against the high of that 4-hour candle. Maybe they're going for Tokyo. Maybe they try to run it down and take the bottom of it, possibly. Bottom of it's down around 485 or not 492. I'd like 485. They double tapping up into this area up here. If they break the ceiling, they're going to 600. But if they don't, see them coming back down to that 485 area, 500. Well, we're getting close to the Tokyo session. Man, this thing's crazy with this back and forth. Man. Do it. Can you actually push it down? Had how many? Wow. Don't look like it. Well, maybe. I can't tell. It looks like it's real close. Special K had some orders sitting at 518.25. Didn't pick them up. That looks like that's where that wick went to. I think maybe that's why they did that. They was trying to pick your order up. They missed it. Oh, you was gonna DCA in at the 5-minute 50 or so? That would have been a heck of a trade if they would have picked those up and come right back up. Yeah, it's 25 down there. 518, 25 is what you said. Silver trading big tonight, 25 micro. Must know something I don't know. You got insider information over there? Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Did you leave them there? I do too. Can't figure out what I want. Uh, much good. Too much good food. Olives and pepperoni. Hey, that salami's out here. We got air fry some. Out here. I was in the middle of the trade. Always text me. Oh, did it pick you up that time? Oh, it don't look like I got like 518.50 on that. I think it's going to be lower. See if that Tokyo session opens up, see if they want to slam us down to the downside. Maybe get a good entry for a long here. Yep, yep. So, boy, yep, maybe they will come on down there and pick them up. We'll see, won't we? As long as I don't chicken out and close them out if it starts coming that way. What's it gonna do? Did it pick it up? What did it bring your average down to? Oh, did it really? Wow. Special K's in it, long with 30. I hope it goes your way. Put up a little more risk on them old evals sometimes. Yeah, she was in, she had 5, and she wanted the dollar cost average in at the 5-minute 50. Put 25 down there. It moved. You done sold 20. She's up 600. You still got 10. Well, I tell you what, you talking about freaking Trader Pro over here. Wow. Be ready. Tokyo opens. You better have a stopping place in case they sling us another way. That was clean. Averaged in with 25 more to 5-minute 50, and it dropped her average to like 520. So when it took off, she was automatically in that fast. She had 30 in total, but she already got out of 20. Yeah, she started with 5 and bought 25 at the 5-minute 50. Oh, she's in 25K eval. That was maxed out. Most she can get's 30. And I'm passing this thing tonight. Trader Pro over there, Trader Pro. Here we go. We got about 10 seconds before Tokyo opens. Maybe they want to slam down here and pick me up under 500 and then run it back. Or maybe they go for the overnight high. Wang said, put you on the stream. Yep. Oh, no. She said, oh no. Look at this. Are you still in that? Yep. Wow. ATR about doubled or so. That's yeah. Put a screenshot in Discord. Oh yeah. What? I don't understand anything that's coming out of your mouth. I couldn't. I think he was mumbling over. Anybody else in this long? Wang, you saying go up? Are you in this long? Come on, Bear. Push it down. Push down. Come on, Bears. Push it down. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, keep going. Go down there and pick up my orders down at the bottom of the screen. Wow, you see that wick fly out of there? Man. again. Do it again. All right. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Come on, push it on down, son. Get whiplash in there. Wearing your helmet, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Pick one of them. 3 of them. Like a roller coaster remodel. It's like a roller coaster. Hey, what's up, Gordon? Gordon said 508 to 555. Like playing ping pong. Back and all right, Swang. We'll see you on the New York session. Good rest of your evening. Come on, let's go down. Pick my orders up. See if patience pays here. Out of the range. Come on down. SM 1-to-1 is a fine risk to reward. To be consistent. Just have to at the 1-to-1 you have to win more than you lose, of course. I don't remember what the statistics are on that, but you can look them up or how to do it or whatever on a 1-to-1, what your percentage win rate needs to be in order to be that way. Got to find what works best for you as far as that goes, risk to reward, and roll with it. I can't speak much on the 1-to-1. I've never really used that for myself, so I don't really trade. My mind don't work as far as risk to reward 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 5-to-1. I don't. I look for trades by structure, and I just trade. I don't focus so much on that or the P&L. I just focus on the process. If I was going to do some kind of risk to reward, I would be using an ATM strategy. I have plenty of those built. I mean, I have some built. I've used them before. Past. Every once in a while, I might pull an ATM out and use one during the day. I don't know. I don't know if I really look at it like that either. I just, I find levels and zones that I want to trade and take profit areas and stop areas. Once I'm in a trade, most of my take profit areas are gonna be based on structure, unless I'm scalping or something. And then the same with my stops. Since I base everything I do by reading structure and structure or confluence of you know um lows and highs or EMAs or something. I mean, I might use whatever that's on my chart as a take profit, combining it with structure. I mean, I'm not going to say every time I get in a trade, I'm not looking to make, oh, I'm going to make $300 on this trade or $1,000 on this trade. I don't look at it like that. I look to be net green when I'm done trading. I look to be net green. That's all I care about. I don't care about risk to reward stuff, and I don't care if I take a loss. I'll get it back. I know you can look some stuff up about the 1-to-1 stuff, though. I mean, I've read up about some 1-to-1, doing 1-to-1s, and there's some good stuff out there. You can find some good information. Or any of the other, if you're set on doing something, some kind of bracket, and want to do a 1-to-1 or 2-to-1, 3-to-1, whatever. All it boils down to is a bunch of math. That's all this really is math. But I do know that if I do go for a 1-to-1, I only win 50% of the time, then I will be break even. So your win rate's gonna have to be better than that, you know? And even at, I don't remember what it was, even if it's at like 70 or 75, I can't remember what the numbers were, but I don't know even if that's gonna be tough on a 1-to-1. You would have to compound it for a while, I think, on a 1-to-1. Dang, Gordon said, talking about going short. Gonna try to short it to 275. Get it, Gordon. Typically, SM, it's gonna be quality of trades, most of the time to get it back. Instead of sizing up big, you got to find better quality trades and, take some off. Say you get in more than one, say you got 5, you get out, scale out a few of them, maybe let 1 or 2 run, and let them run. A lot of times, if you get the right trade, you'll be able to let 1 or 2 run and pick up another anywhere from $100, $300 if it's you got good entry and it's going your way. We leave runners on all the time, snagging anywhere between $100, $200, $300 on 1 or 2 micros. I mean, it ain't every day, but it happens often. Gordon said we got the bloodbath coming soon. The waterfall to the dark side of the moon. I cover a whole lot of things in the course about the different trades and setups. You can go to gumroad.com and look at the precision trading course on there, and at the cover page and all that to it tells you a whole lot about what's in it and the modules and all that. Now, if you have any questions about the course, if you've joined Discord, you can ask elite members in there about the course, or if you hadn't, just join. Ask those that already have been through it. I'm gonna leave my orders down there for now, Gordon. If that's what they want to do, that's what they're gonna have to do. I just have to take a loss. But left them sitting down there for a while now. I was only gonna give them till 8:30 to get down there, which is really what, less than 3 minutes. Because I was like, well, if they ain't got down there by 8:30, I'm gonna be done for the night. I won't be taking no trade. But then I thought, well, here they come. Maybe I need to wait. But now I can't tell what they're doing. Yeah, absolutely is. Not going nowhere. You can ask me, or if it once somebody gets the course, they gain access to the elite channels, member channels in Discord. Can't see them unless you been through the course. But and then there's other stuff in there. There's a couple modules that are listed in there. They're not inside the course because I added some modules, a couple I think, after the course. They're inside them channels, and you can ask other members questions over there. Got some really good traders over there, inside there. Got Trader Merlin's over there. He's on the streams on the New York session. He answers a lot of questions. Then you got K Cat in Discord. Cole, Dave. Just some names coming on top of my head that are over there that would be willing to, if you have any questions, or well, I know I'm sure they'd be willing. Well, it don't look like they want to come on down and take my orders out. It's just been way too bullish today. I'm not really expecting them to pull back much at all, to be honest. I figured I'd put my orders where they're at, thinking maybe they're going to try to sweep the 4-hour candle that we're currently working on. But now that they did that, I'm taking mine off too, because I'm going to be done probably. Not doing that mess, but that was my game plan. Then to try to take out the bottom of that 4-hour candle and then range it back up to the high, but didn't work in my favor. It'll be all right. I don't have to take a trade. No reason to be trying to force anything. There we are. It's 8:30 on the. Never got down there yet. I'm gonna call it a night, everybody. I appreciate everybody showing up and showing out with me tonight on the stream. We'll be back at it tomorrow morning on the New York session at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Maybe see some of y'all there if you trade the New York session. If not, have a good rest of your night and stay sharp, stay safe. Plan your trade your plan. Let price come to you. Don't chase it. And protect your account at all costs. Everybody have a great evening.